This video is best played in HD quality. Now let's move on to the question. You can now pause and try to answer this question on your own. Now let's tackle it together. On data sufficiency questions, consider each option. Let's factor the right side of the equation to understand the composition of factors. Statement 1, alone is insufficient. Since the question stem imposes no limitations on the values of x and y, which means that the numbers can be either negative or positive, integers or fractions. Let's consider two scenarios. Let's pick the first scenario according to both statements, and then find a different scenario that provides a different result. If x equals 5, y equals 32, then we can calculate m, which turns out to be 21. If x equals 5, y equals 16/5, then m turns out to be 16. Statement 2, alone is insufficient. Again, the question stem imposes no limitations on the values of x and y, which means that the numbers can be either negative or positive, integers or fractions. Let's consider two scenarios. Again, use already calculated scenario. If y equals 32, x equals 5, then m turns out to be 21. If y equals 32, x equals 5 to the power of 1/3, divided by 2 to the power of 2/3, then m turns out to be 7. Statements 1 and 2, together are sufficient. Both statements completely define the number, allowing us to calculate the value of m. Always pay close attention to the limitations imposed by the question stem, as acknowledging them is the most critical factor for success on data sufficiency problems. The correct answer is C.